Hi guys, Dr. Sabrina here with a super fun video for you all. Today I'll be sharing a behind the scenes look of what I typically eat in a day, and I'll be using a lot of the groceries that I shared in my recent Whole Foods grocery haul. I'll link that video above in case you missed that one. But I thought it'd be a good fun way to share how those groceries actually translate into real meals that I eat on a regular basis. So if you're curious on how I like to eat to support my hormones, energy, and focus, keep on watching. Hi guys, I'm sitting down now, about to indulge in my breakfast. Today is my day off from work, so it's a bit of a slower morning. That's why I can enjoy this whole sit down breakfast. I have my avocado toast here with me. I have my Greek yogurt with blueberries and raw honey on top. And then, of course, my matcha latte. Can't forget that. But I'm not going to drink it just yet because if you guys have been keeping up with my videos, if you watched the video about the real reasons why you're tired, you'll know that having caffeine on an empty stomach is like the worst thing you can do for your hormones. It triggers the production of cortisol, which is the stress hormone in the body. Especially for us women, we want to maintain and manage those cortisol levels. It's just not good for our whole reproductive system to be in a chronic state of stress. So, by delaying your caffeine intake, having your breakfast first, you can help with that immensely. So, I'm just going to enjoy my breakfast now and then check back in with you guys for lunch. Hi guys, I'm back for lunch now. I did a couple errands earlier, and for lunch I'm craving a salad. So I'm going to be making an arugula quinoa salad, and I'll show you all the ingredients that I usually put in there. This is one of my go-to recipes for when I want something fresh, light, but still filling. And I love these salads, especially in the summertime. I find that I end up eating salads a lot more often in the summer versus winter, so I'm super excited to be getting back into my salad game. All right, so I'm sitting down my salad, ready to dig in, and it looks divine. Super colorful. It makes me really happy when I look at it, and I'm very excited. I haven't had these salads in quite some time now, but now that summer's here, my salad game is going to be in full force for sure. The tip I have for you guys is to actually not drink too much fluids, water, juice, any of that during mealtime and 30 minutes before and after eating as well, because it can actually dilute the stomach acids that are necessary to break down your foods properly. So if you feel like you have digestive issues, try this tip out. I think it'll help a lot. I just thought of this because I have my watermelon juice that I've been sipping on throughout the day, but I'm going to put a pause to that for now and just enjoy my meal. And I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit for dinner time. Hi guys, just checking in. I'm about to make some dinner now. So tonight's recipe is going to be air fried sweet potatoes with salmon and broccoli. Super simple and easy, one of my go-tos. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. All right, so I'm about to dig into dinner, you guys. I have the beautiful salmon fillet here, great source of omega-3s and healthy fats. I have my sweet potatoes, a great source of complex carbs, and then broccoli, amazing source of vitamin C. And yeah, dinner is served. So I'm about to dig in. Salmon always hits, you guys. So good. Sweet potatoes. And then I love air frying veggies, you guys. A lot of brands these days, they make or they sell packaged veggies that are air dried or air fried, and they have that crispy touch. This is basically it for so much cheaper, and it's healthier because you know exactly what ingredients are going into it. All right, so I finished dinner. That was delicious, you guys. Delicious. And now I'm gonna have a little sweet treat just to cleanse my palate and just end the night. I'm gonna have one of these dark chocolate peanut butter cups from Trader Joe's. It's creamy peanut butter covered in dark chocolate, basically what the name implied. It's not the healthiest thing in the world, but it's okay because I'm gonna have just one. And they're pretty small. They're like tiny. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, by the way, and got a lot of info on some quick and easy, simple and nutritious meals that you can make on your own. If you guys want to see more what I eat in a day videos from me, let me know in the comments below. This is honestly super fun to film and I would love to make more for you guys. But yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you always stay notified on new content that's coming out of my channel. And until next week, bye guys.